Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I bring you today a tutorial on one of the most classic makeup looks. It is a winged liner with red lips. This look is so versatile. It is so easy to do. It is beginner friendly. I feel like it goes with any type of occasion, day, night, party, meeting, you name it, it goes. Now stick around and I'm going to show you how to create this look. You're going to see how simple and easy it is. On another note, if you enjoy weekly beauty videos, consider subscribing to the channel. I welcome you with love and open arms. And cue the intro. We're going to start off with some concealer. I am using the First Aid Beauty Bendy Avocado Concealer in shade 4. I think it's like light medium or medium light, something like that. I'm just going to put that on the eyelids and then I'm going to blend that out using a flat concealer brush. FYI, I post many tutorials on Instagram, so if you want to find me, it's at MakeupPixie. Now here is a very cool tip. If you want a nice sharp straight line, I suggest that you grab some tape. Tape will be your best friend for looks like this. Now I'm going to go ahead and grab a short shader brush and I'm going to grab the shadow teddy bear from the Violet Voss HG palette and I'm just going to create a little wing using that shadow. I'm going to use this just to create a little smoke out effect for the liner. Now I'm grabbing an angle brush and I'm using a gel liner. I'm using the Pretty Vulgar Cosmetics The Ink gel liner in 01 is the black list. And I'm just applying that on my lash line right on top of the shadow using an angle brush. Again, the tape is there to help you, so don't be afraid to just pack on that gel liner because you're going to end up with a nice sharp line anyways. Now I'm going to grab another short shader brush and I'm just going to buff out that liner a little. Again, I'm trying to go for just a little smoky effect. Not too much, but just enough. Now we're grabbing that First Aid Beauty concealer again and I'm just going to conceal around my mouth because that area tends to be kind of dark and also underneath the eyes. And I'm just blending that out with a damp beauty blender. And with a flat foundation brush, I'm applying my BECCA 24-hour foundation in the shade Cafe. And I'm gonna go ahead and buff that in with my Morphe M439 brush. I'm more of a full coverage gal, so I really like the finish that I get with this brush. And then we're just going to conceal a little more underneath the eyes with that Bendy Avocado Concealer from First Aid Beauty. Again, I'm in the shade 4. And to set that concealer, I'm grabbing my Tarte Shape Tape Setting Powder. And I'm just going to bake just a little. And by bake, I mean real quick. Nothing too intense. And for contour, I'm grabbing the Pixie by Petra Multi Balm Sheer Sculpt, and I'm just applying that on the hollows of my cheeks. And I'm going to go ahead and blend that out using my Morphe M439 brush, and I'm just blending that into the skin. Now to set that contour, I'm going to grab the Morphe bronzer in Blogger. It's going on the forehead as well. And I'm just cleaning that up with my Tarte Shape Tape Setting Powder. For blush, my all-time favorite Tarte Amazonian Clay Blush in Achiote. Lashes are from the Creme Shop. Style, I honestly don't know, but they're just a very natural pair of lashes. And guess what? My camera decided to quit while it was ahead. So sorry guys, and I know I have to get the whole self-timer thing figured out. I don't even know what that is, but it missed very important moments. So sorry guys. But for highlighter, I used the Cover FX Glitter Drops. And for a lipstick, I used the NARS Velvet Matte Lip Pencil in the shade Cruella, one of my top 5 favorite reds, by the way. Now guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Much appreciated. Consider subscribing to the channel for weekly makeup fun. And also follow me on social media. All my info is linked down below. I am everywhere. Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, you name it, I'm on it. My handle is @MakeupPixie. But again, all that info is linked down below. Again, thank you so much for watching, guys. And I'll see you in the next video.